To see what a consumer has to do to find out if her doctors are covered by a specific health plan, we search for health plans available in Washington on the State Health Insurance Exchange, Health Plan Finder. We narrowed the search to Seattle, zip code 98115, and identified as a 52-year-old woman born December 1st, 1962, and making $51,000 a year who doesn't smoke. 67 health plans are available in that zip code, offered by 9 insurers. We notice that the exchange allows consumers to narrow their health plan options to those with a specific doctor. This is a nice feature for consumers looking for a health plan who accepts a specific doctor. The consumer can type in the name of one doctor or hospital at a time. So if there is more than one doctor who is important to the consumer or a family member, the consumer will need to take notes on which plans work for all concerned. We tried the search using oncologist Eric Feldman. We had done some research ahead of time and knew that he wasn't considered an in-network doctor for all of the health plans. However, when we did the search and selected him as a provider, all 67 health plan choices still appear, though now they're sorted differently. These results could lead a consumer to assume that a provider is covered by all the health plan options, which we know was not the case in this instance. Removing that limitation from our search, we went back to the main search, then narrowed the health plan options to just silver plans, since those have been the most popular with consumers. There are 24 silver plan options available. We took a look at the 2 with the lowest premiums to see what a consumer needs to do to find a list of covered providers under each plan. Neither plan had a direct link to a list of covered doctors available in the information shown up front. So for the first plan, we clicked on More Information. Not finding a link to covered providers on the next page, we then selected See More Detail. Through trial and error, we discovered that the Summary of Benefits document does contain information on covered doctors. On this page, after checking the plan's name again, we realized we needed to select this link for the right Summary of Benefits document. In the summary document, we found a link to covered providers and clicked on it, but got an error message. Going back to the Summary of Benefits document took several tries. The link in the document didn't work because of the way the name of the website is written in the Summary of Benefits document. So this time, we copied that link, pasted it in a web browser, and edited the name of the website to get the link to work. Once we got to the right website, the search engine worked well. After providing a zip code for the location, consumers can search by specialty using a drop-down menu or also search by provider's name. For the silver plan with the next lowest premium, we also had to select More Information and then See More Details to find a link to a list of providers in the plan's Summary of Benefits document. This link worked and took us to the plan's homepage. We then had to select Find a Doctor. There was some information on this page about different plans and whether the consumer needed to select a primary care doctor. We just entered our zip code again, 98115, to search. Once the list of providers appeared, we needed to narrow our results to just those doctors in the UW Medicine Network. UW Medicine is part of the name of the health plan we were researching. Though we're not sure most consumers would know that they needed to limit their search results in this way, and accordingly could mistakenly believe that all the doctors listed would be included under the plan they were researching. Once a link to the list of providers is located in the plan documents, consumers can find out which providers are covered under a specific health plan. Getting to those links, however, can be a challenge. Also, the problems with the links and loading documents can be frustrating to consumers and require them to work through the issues to find the information they need.